Boy, Brandon, I hate this for you, you know. Remember me did tell you, you know. Make sure say you got talk to the general and be honest with the general about everything. Or if it's a jail, you go spend the rest of the night and probably for the rest of the week too. So you decide what you want.
John won't miss a new officer, sir. John won't star, yo. I can't get a phone call when time I go in the station to do officer. Please, man, I beg you, make me call my girl or my mother. Need for make them know something done you.
Yeah, man, I I say, man, you're entitled to your one phone call, man. Now, make sure say you get your one phone call, you see it. But remember when I tell you, say, talk the truth.
So, Miss a new officer, no disrespect, I would the man name. Because I don't want to continue calling new officer, so what the man name?
My name, what you want me name for young boy? But anyway, I made them call officer Yeman Pickman. Yeah, I mean name so.
We you say a while ago, Officer Yeman Pick. Are your real name that, my boss? Sir, that sound like a alias. That sound like a sitting where somebody just call in the streets. And are your real name that?
Yes, man, I'm a real name that, man. Just go and get used to it.
And when me hear that name there from again? Oh, are you me here on this spot at about all the while, man, Officer Yeman Pick? You know, somebody just feel like say some little gibberish him attack like a joke to him depend, but we never know say a policeman really name so for true. Oh, you name so?
Squaddy wa go on the squaddy, year ago. The superintendent said for Wolamp and Brandon till him forward him want him for questioning. So year ago, about to put him in the general population round the back of the rest of prisoner them yet. Just keep him in the holding cell right there so. On the front make him go on a breeze till the superintendent forward as it.
Alright, Scotty, alright, near no problem. Brandon, come. Jail.
John no star officer who really have to put me around and in a jail star. John no star. The officer, member and officer, me I beg you one phone call. Me need for call my mother and my girl and let them know something done you.
Don't worry yourself, man. You can make a one phone call off a year on a phone right now because and around a general population you're going at the holding era. So you can make a phone call and then me go take the phone from you and put it in the general properties box until your family them come take it up for you.
Alright, officer. Thanks. We're gonna make the phone call now.
Brandon, are you this, Brandon? Lax, my son, Brandon. Brandon, are you this?
Yes, mommy, and me, Brandon. Mommy, they lock me up down in jail. I beg you come find out what really are going on with me, the mommy. Mommy, me not do nothing at all. The police, them come joke me down and accuse me, say me have gun, mommy. Mommy, me not do nothing at all, mommy. Believe me, mommy, me innocent, mommy, me innocent.
So I really true Miss Puncy did attack. She says she see upon YouTube and My View TV. The police took her down for gun, but Ashley did have the gun. Brandon, anything like that, cause of Brandon? Brandon, how will you get yourself in again, Brandon? Jesus Christ, Brandon. You know, so you have to left out Ashley company, Brandon. You know, see how Ashley nearly set up your life, you man, kill your brand. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Brandon. Brandon, how will you get yourself in a Brandon? Brandon, it come like you want to kill behalf, Brandon. Brandon, it come like you want your mother dead. Jesus, Brandon, you have stressed me out. Brandon, you have stressed me out, Brandon.
Yeah, no star, mommy, me no want to stress you out, mommy, me no do nothing at all, mommy, believe me, no, mommy, just believe in, mommy, me innocent, mommy, they must say me a transport, gun, and me no have no gun, mommy, me no have no gun, mommy, me am big if you call Rachel, just tell Rachel to go on and make she come together, nobody stress herself, just make Rachel come link me, alright?
Alright, Brandon, alright. When you come off iPhone, just text me your number here. Cause me really not be strength to come down there right now. But drop down and lick up all my head, the whole of my head swell up, my head bruise. Brandon, when time Miss Puncy call me and tell me the police lock you up that you see it on YouTube, I drop down, Brandon. Jesus Christ, Brandon. Jesus Christ. Sometimes I wish a father lived there for 30. I don't know Brandon. What else me fit do, Brandon? What else me fit do? I try my best with you, Brandon. I try my best with you, Brandon. Brandon, just be here to yourself and stay out of trouble and stay away from that damn girl, Rachel. I mean, Pinky. Whatever the girl want name, Ashley. Yes, Ashley. Stay away from the girl, man. Jesus Christ. Now I got call Rachel and time I done. Just send me number. Send me number. Cause right now you have all my poor little whole head you confused.
Alright, mommy. Sorry, Star. General Star. I never want to put you under them type of pressure, you know, mommy. But mommy, believe me when time I tell you something. Me innocent, mommy. Me innocent. Me need a transport. No gun. Nobody worry yourself about nothing, man. Just call Rachel and tell Rachel what go on and make she come down and come link me.
Hello, Rachel.
Hello, good afternoon. This is Rachel. To whom do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
This is Brandon's mother. I'm Miss Emily.
Oh, hi, Miss Emily. How are you?
Me na alright, you know, Rachel. Me na alright at all. Police lock up Brandon and then send me fi call you fi tell you say him down at police station if you come down there right now.
Brandon, what? When? Where?
Yes, my dear child. In the jail for true. And my friend called me first, you know, when my friend tell me I drop down, he call my poor little head. Then he called me right after, so me jump up and get up, so and he say me fi call you and tell you say him down in jail. So me I beg you, me not feel so good. Me can't even get up to walk, go down the right, you know. Me I beg you, please, Miss Rachel, please, Rachel. Me I beg you, go down there, go look for my son for me. Please, me I beg you, go down there, go look for my son. I'm a one boy, you know. I'm a one boy. Me no want nothing to do it. Me I beg you, please. No worry about me. Me we alright. Me I just beg you, please go down there, go look for my son. And call me and tell me when everything is alright here. And tell him to come look for me right after too, alright? Call me.
Ah, okay, Miss Emily. I will do just that.
I knew it. I knew I was right about that vagabond Brandon. He's a criminal, and now he's locked up. I knew it.
Oh, Mom, just stop, all right? Just stop.
Herbert, need to get out here because your daughter is really pushing it right now.
Hey, both of you, please tone it down. Woman, what's all this screaming and yelling? What's going on? What's all the racket for out here? What's happening?
Herbert, your daughter just got off a call with some woman telling her that her vagabond of a boyfriend that she has is in jail, and she's about to go visit him now.
Rachel, is this true? What's happening with your boyfriend Brandon? Is he really in jail?
Yes, Dad. He's in jail. His mom just told me. So I'm going to see what's happening. I know he's innocent. And sadly, that's the price young men in the ghetto have to pay. You know this, Dad. You grew up down there.
Well, she do have a point. I remember back in the days I was also picked up on the roadway for no apparent reason, and I was taken to jail. And you, my beautiful wife, had to come and verify my identity for me, and that is how I got out scotch-free. I didn't do anything to deserve to be picked up, but that is how the ghetto is really run. So our daughter do have a point. Let's give her a chance to go and visit Brandon to find out exactly what has happened.
When me tell the people them say the police them are idiot, trust and believe me say they not no sense for true in a real life. Mr. Policeman, come here man, quick and fast. Because I see the company crime scene and the whole lamp and Brandon and get chance to kill the boy and they don't kill the boy. We now want another panda which part the gun they don't it. Then me not see who have the gun. Oh, I should even say that part. They say me see who have the gun. If people them see who have the gun. Ashley have the gun. When the company crime scene, you never see Ashley. Me don't know why I don't want to kill woman, you know. Who don't make she get her with the gun, you know? Hey, Ashley. Big old cross is close with Ashley. Police them coming. Now they know say you have the gun. Let me see what you going to do that.
Well, I still say allow our daughter to go and visit Brandon to find out exactly what is happening. We can't just take one side of the story and run with it. So let her go. And Rachel, as soon as you find out everything that is happening, please make sure to give me a call and update me so I can keep your mother abreast of what is happening. Okay?
Okay, Dad. I will.
What I me really feel bad still, but me did have to do what me have to do still to protect myself and even to protect Brendan too, car if me did ever go down there, police them would have well and palm me. Them would have get this chap and Brendan would have gone to jail for real. Cause me name got prison for him as much as me love him. Now I got prison for no boy. Me there. Why? Me no know. Feel like me figure on him, but I still know. Feel like me forgot tell her where I go on, but me no want go round and go tell her all this and then I be a banger and she go all drop down palm me now, sir. Better me go down our station. Yes, me go down our station, go link him and see if me can talk to him and then make him tell me what to do. Yeah, that me I go do. Me I get ready and go down our station now. Evening, officer.
Good evening, ma'am. How can I be of assistance to you this evening?
You know, so I come to come visit one prisoner with the police them just carry come down and one little youth named Brandon. In there?
Yes, ma'am. Brandon is right over there in the Olin area. I will give you a few minutes to go and speak with the prisoner. Anyways, you'll have to leave your phone right here before you proceed to the holding area location. All right?
All right, ma'am. See the phone here, but try to take care of my phone in the officer. Because our day I just get this brand new iPhone 6 Plus. I mean, I want nothing at all to my phone.
Ray, my dear, iPhone 6 Plus. Then, my dear, at which museum you gonna buy this phone, Anna?
You know, say officer put fun and joke aside though. At the same like a youth where you say me come visit right you know when name Brandon will lock up over the scene of the whole in here as I say. I him buy me the phone then and the very first time him go to Canada upon him farmer thing. I him buy it and carry it come give me a never much still but in heart did in the right place and me see saying try and then send me like a phone and me not lie officer, me appreciate it cause me never have none at the time. So me take care of my things.
Girl, you're right in a girl. Girl, you're right. Sorry for laugh off what you said today. It did just sound kind of funny, but trust me, girl. You're right. One time you have a little man will try with you. Go foreign and bring back one little thing for you. You have to give thanks for it. Yeah, girl.
Brandon, where are going? You alright?
What kind of question that you ask me right now, Ashley? But look like me alright to you. I jail me there in Ashley. So me not alright. Right now me there stress out more than anything else because me no want to lose the opportunity there, you know. Channel star, me I tell the star. Coming like my salt like sea.
Opportunity? Which opportunity that you attack? Which opportunity that you don't want to lose? How I go on?
I show me I not really too deal like that again, man. Like you don't know, man. Link me back what day if I go back on the farmer program and this time them I give me 8 months out a year star so you know say yo, it's a good piece of food that for me go up there gonna make and come elevate myself and take myself out of this ghetto yeah. And see it, I jail me end up star and do things look like the superintendent brother they come like a prison him want to send me. So me no know still star but right you know me I tell you. Jaja God, Jano Star, Jano Star, Jano Star.
Just go and hold it, man, my baby. Just go and hold it. Everything I got alright. Promise you that, man. Everything I got alright. Now say a word, man. Everything copacetic by my side till you don't know what me and you talk about right this or so. Don't worry yourself, man. Everything I got work out. So just give it like a time. Police them, my sister boy, yeah, good youth and them soon free up, man. So just go and hold out like a real G. You see it?
Excuse me? Brandon, what the hell is going on here?
Oh boy. Rachel, it's definitely not what it looks like. Definitely not what you're thinking. Ashley was just there, like a stone throw away from where the police them hold on upon me. So she see everything. So she just come down here to come check upon me if see if me good. I just that, baby. Trust me, I just that. Can't take the additional stress right now because you done see my situation already.
You better make sure it's not what I'm thinking. Because the last time I checked, this old Craftsmite tried to set up your life and dish you for your friend better than. So you better make sure it's not what it looks like.
me, dear. Yeah, hear me, Brandon? We'll see you some other time, you know. Cause them say trouble not set like rain. I mean, I want to have to step up in your gal face in my morning, you know. So you know what? Make me exit myself out of that chat, yeah.
Best decision ever. Do you remember what happened the last time in the store with Pinkhead and you ran away?
Boomy, boomy, boomy. You don't know the original Yardman brooms, them, man. Them broom, you know the corners. Bless I are. Broomy, broomy, broomy. Broomy, broomy, broomy. Hold on there. Now the police empress that I are. Yes, I are. The I have to go right go over this and go say I to the empress. Yes, I, Rastafari.
Lax, man. I hope this Rasta man and I see me not do God, do not make him see me. Rasta man, what you want? And before you even gonna further, let me tell you, Rasta. Me I live a good, nice, clean, honest, God-fearing life right now. Me no want no man in my life. Me no want no problem. Me no want nothing, Rasta. Rasta, make good.
Jano, I a police empress. Why the I have to deal with the I so shice the Rasta? The I no mean no farmer ill intent Rasta. The I just see the eye more time and the I just love to admire the eye. So because the empress I got church, the empress not allowed to have a little boyfriend, a little man friend, a little lover.
Ah, boy. You see me dance trial? Rasta, yeah, push it to me. How you want me to do? Commit fornication?
No, I am not that the Rasta man I say empress. We can chill together, we can read the holy scriptures together and Aya. We can do all sort of things together. But you don't know, say the Rasta man I gonna need a little bit of flesh.
Ah, boy. You see me dance trial? Father God, if you're not busy, come down here and look on this stuff for me. Rasta man, come like I send them send if you can test me faith in the evening. Yeah. What kind of flesh business you come to me with Rasta? Rasta look for me good for head to toe. Me look like a lamb to be slaughtered, but you gonna want some of my flesh. Rasta man, you know, say you make me a lose ratings for you though. Me swear to God say you was a good vegetarian. Now you come to me, you so-called empress with flesh argument, Rasta. Rasta don't make me have to talk up the things them and scandal you in a Rasta. Like bring the farmer flesh argument to me in a Rasta. How you want to do? Eat the meat?
No, empress, what kind of argument that the empress have come to the Rasta man with Aya? Bo eat meat? No, Aya. The I burn off them argument then the empress. The I burn off them type of argument they start. The Aya talk about the flesh as in us having sex, Rasta. Yes, I.
Oh boy, you see me then trial. Rasta man, me and you not having no sex. The Bible tell me about fornication and that me not go do.
Yes, empress, but at the same Bible speak about love. And at the same doctrine I tell the eye, say if the eye burn, it better for the eye go seek a loved one than for burn. Yes, Rasta, alright, and now I and I are burn. And we can see the fire, see the flames in your eyes too, you know. You see you're miserable police empress. Me know say the eye are burn too. Yes, I. You see it?
Ah, boy. Rastaman, he coming like a devil saying you coming a day yelling Rastaman. Rastaman, why you take a set pa me Rastaman? Rastaman, leave me alone, Rasta. Rasta, me look like me want smarty to you. Rasta, me alright. Me a go and wait till God send him come. Me alright, Rastaman.
Well, the wait is over in my eye, and he who prayeth unto the Lord, the prayers shall be answered. So see me eye, the Rasta man right there so in front of you are the answer to your prayer. Yes, I am.
Hey, Father God, take the case and give me the pillar. If you're not busy, Father God, come here. Oh, yes, I Rastaman. Are you a me answered prayer?
Yes, I and I are the answered prayer empress. Me know see a long time you need a natty on the front line, you know. You see your face? Me know you want the Rasta, you know. Good old long distance, too long in your life, empress. Yes, I.
Oh, boy. Father God, I set this Rastaman up on me and the Rastaman go home. Rastaman go home. I will tell you some want a long distance to that. Me no want a man to come saka me and come ride out my chassis Rastaman. So you just kindly go back on your bicycle and go home with the broom them. Please, Rastaman, go on.
Yes, I empress. The I would have definitely would have loved nothing more than for ride out your chassis idea. Yeah. Yes, I. Cause you don't know when to a Rastaman sit down in a saddle like how me sit down on my bicycle. I know not normal empress. Yes, I. When the eye finish with the empress man, remember I and I tell you say, you go start shout and chant like a real African princess. Furthermore, you go all want move in with the Rastaman and start make all bloom. Yes, I.
Oh boy. Rasta was in a easy now. Where say me I go and go home with you and go build a broom. You know what? So 1 week later I come. Rasta man. Later. Cabby. Wala the favorite cabby. Wala.
Squaddy evening, what go on? A long time been see in a squaddy. You good? Everything good with you?
Squaddy. What you say cabby? Last time I checked me and never train together. So you call me squaddy.
You know what I mean, man, officer. You know what I mean, man. But anyway, oh, you want so brave, though.
What you mean by oh me want so brave? I want go on cabby. Me know you's a little mix up taxi man now. How what you hear say?
Me? Mix up? No, sir. Me not hear nothing at all, squaddy. I just there go and observe you and the Rasta man will a reason when time I drive up the street. And yeah, and the Rasta man did look awfully close. And me know say them the man that think and green like a cedar board. So me no know how you want so brave to turn up in front and let the Rasta man there with that the sent the way I come from under female pits where I play karate in your face. And what? I saw you tough. You not feel like kick and Baxter with the Rasta man sent a gear.
You see you cabby me tell a boy yeah you like a mix up self, you know. And last time Mrs. Smarty talk about the Rasta man sent you know the Rasta man burn a fire upon them, you know, and say burn Babylon soap and water. Man mustn't beard man feel green like bush.
Me say, squaddy, sorry, officer, whatever. The last time the Rasta man come in our vehicle, me have to come off the road. Me have to go buy one buckler Fabuloso and one buckler Fabrice and turn the two of them in the car to get out the Rasta man sent. In thing for true.
I want to leave my friend alone, you know. Leave the Rasta man alone with him Ita Snell. Leave him alone.
So upon a serious note though, officer, a long time me I admire you still, you know. Finally get a chance to make you know. So what you say? You know want a little cabin in your life.
He's a hard-working man, you know.
You see me Dan Charlie come like me jump out a frying pot and jump right in a fire. Caddy, you know Vibes Cartel song?
Yeah, man, I will say man mums. But listen to the Gaza Bass every day. And which one I sang them you want me to play?
Why you find that one for me and play it for yourself and listen to it good? Give me the Benz Spooner and make me go and drive it out. All taxi cab, go and go cool out.
Don't say I go out, my officer. Big up yourself still, man. Sissy has styling thing at the pan in head there, but big up yourself. Me like that to you, Rasta.
Taxi man I drive through the city all day, but a pretty lady officer take him out away. Oh officer girl, with your badge so bright. Taxi man I dream about you every night. Rasta man laugh and say, brother take your chance. Loving at the sunshine make the whole town dance. She direct the street. Taxi man slow down every time they meet. Rasta man strum on a guitar and sing. True love sweeter than a gold chain ring. Oh officer girl, with your badge so bright. Taxi man I dream about you every night. Rasta man laugh and say, brother take your chance.